Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is David Abo. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you look at this data set, this has its own ship mode segment, so it's just like a normal data set. So, but imagine you have four of those. How do you clean them? So this is four of them or 10 of them. But they have the same structure. How do you clean them? And we want to clean them at once because of productivity and time management. So let's head to Power BI and see how we clean them. So let me go there. So now how you clean them is by using the folder part. So you're going to take the folder part, not you picking the Excel file one after the other. So I'm going to go to more. So right now we have the folder part. So when I click the folder part, I click connect. So right now this is our folder part. So I'm going to browse to where the data set is. So I'm going to go there. I'm just coming to think I know where it is. Think it's in training. From training per query, then sales data. So this is it, sales data. Then I click OK. So now we have the link. So now we press and we click OK. Now immediately we do that, it's going to load. Now you can currently see that we now have the four data sets that we had that time. You can see the content, you can also see the name. Now if you now go down here, so if you go down a little bit, you're going to see combine, load, transform. Now this is the capability I want you to look at, the combine. So it means that you want to combine, but this is what it's asking. So if I click the drop down, you're going to see combine and transform data or combine and load. So combine and transform is what we want to do because we might end up cleaning some things in Power Query. So let's click combine and transform data. So right now it's evaluating the query and it's making sure that it takes us to Power Query. So right now it's going to tell us that, oh, we want you to see one file of it so that you can be very sure that this is the file. So now you're going to say a sample file, your first file, just to check if, oh, okay, is this the file? So the preview is there. You want to look at the preview and say, okay, you are sure. So you can see it. Oh, okay, good, this is my preview. Yeah. So now you can click okay. So right now you can see it now. Then you now have your different folders coming in to help you. So now this is your transform sample file. If you clean it here, it will automatically also clean in your sales data. So some things that you might want to check out. So if you look at your sales data here, you can see your source file. You can check in your source file and be sure. So if you look at it right now, you can see it now that it has the four files that you have before. So now this is how you bring it in, and anytime that you're able to clean, take your report into Power BI, analyze, anytime that you have a new data set, let's assume that we have that for 2020, you just drop inside that folder and you refresh your Power BI, and it's as simple as that. I hope you've learned something. If you learned something, share the video and subscribe. Thank you very much.